Best misting spray bottle review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular spray bottles in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this misting bottle so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of this bottle being used by different people. The one that made our list is the Beautify Flairosol spray bottle. This bottle dispenses an aerosol-like spray without using any pressurized containers or hazardous propellant gases. The powerful and consistent spray of this bottle can be used for various purposes, including cleaning, hairstyling, misting essential oils, and more. It has a robust pre-compression technology which dispenses a stream of sustained mist that lasts for 1.2 seconds. It has a fixed output of 1.25 cc per second, which is dispensed consistently from first to last drop. You can spray it from all angles and at hard to reach places. You can even use it sideways and upside down. This bottle has a 98% water evacuation, so you can utilize even the last drop of liquid. It releases a burst of fine and long-lasting mist with just a gentle squeeze. The ergonomic shape and easy to grip handle also reduces hand fatigue. To check out the full specs of the Beautify Flairosol spray bottle and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/misting-spray. Here's a quick demo by some of the customers who have used this bottle. So there you have it, the Beautify Flairosol spray bottle. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the bottle, and its overall functionality, we feel that this spray bottle is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Beautify Flairosol spray bottle and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/misting-spray. Alright, thank you for watching.